This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brian and Nancy Stoliker. Super clean 1-bedroom plus den condo in the gated, well-maintained Ibis Club of Naples. First floor unit boasts light gray tile flooring for easy maintenance, two-tone light gray and white paint with newer, wide baseboards throughout. The living/dining room is spacious in size and has a new ceiling fan with light. Off the living room is a 9x8 den with large picture window looking out to the water feature. This room has endless possibilities. Cook's Delight kitchen has white cabinetry, granite countertops, breakfast bar, double stainless steel sink, newer black glass dishwasher, stainless steel refrigerator, microwave, range, and hood. Adjacent to the kitchen is a laundry closet that fits a full-size washer and dryer. The bedroom offers a good-sized walk-in closet and window looking out to the water and green space. Connected to the bedroom is the bathroom, which has been remodeled, boasting a new vanity, toilet, medicine cabinet and gorgeous tile surrounding the large tub. There is a window in the bathroom giving you natural light. Ibis Club is a really nice gated community with an on-site manager. You will find a kids' playground and barbecue picnic area surrounded by nature. They are adjacent to the clubhouse and community pool. For those of you that don't want to go far to get some exercise, there are nice walkways throughout the community, plus a fitness room with machines and free weights. This is a great property all the way around at an affordable price. For more information, review the details below or contact Brian and Nancy Stoliker at 239-207-1187.